Legs feeling shaky, energy slipping away. Is aging robbing you of your strength? What if 3 simple teas could help rebuild your muscle, restore balance, and fuel your energy? No pills, no gym equipment needed. And today, we're adding 4 extra secret teas to supercharge your recovery. Stay with me until the end. I'll even reveal a surprising tea that's nearly unknown, but packs a serious punch for circulation and muscle stamina. Before we sip in, which tea do you drink most often? Have any of these helped your energy or strength? Drop your answers in the comments. We read every single one. Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon because what you learn here could literally help you walk strong again this week. GingerTurmericTea.com. Inflammation and ignite blood flow if your knees creak or your legs feel heavy after a short walk. This soothing duo could be your first step back towards strength. Ginger's powerful gingerols stimulate circulation, helping muscles get more oxygen and nutrients. Turmeric's curcumin deflates swelling, protects muscles from breakdown, and even boosts gentle, sustainable energy without the jitters of coffee. A real-life example. Steph Curry swears by turmeric for recovery, and traditional Indian homes have relied on this warming brew for generations for flexibility and joint ease. Curious, have you ever brewed this one? Let us know how it made you feel. Ginseng Green Tea, the mindful muscle energizer. Feel frazzled, depleted, or sluggish by mid-afternoon? Ginseng combined with green tea offers a smooth reignition, lifting both physical strength and mental clarity. Ginseng acts as an adaptogen, easing muscle stress and helping muscles use oxygen more efficiently. Meanwhile, green tea's EGCG and L-theanine combo protects muscle cells from wear and keeps you alert without the crash. Imagine tackling stairs or errands with calm focus and renewed stamina. That's what this blend can deliver. Drop a comment. Do you feel sharper after tea? Ashwagandha, root tea. Reset, balance, and rebuild muscle. This isn't just a tea, it's a reset for your nervous system, muscles, and sleep. Ashwagandha calms stress hormones like cortisol, allowing your body's repair systems to take over. Seniors who sip regularly report improved balance, renewed muscle tone, and deeper, more restorative sleep. Instead of waking up stiff or worried, you may just feel steady, recharged, and ready to move with confidence. Has any tea helped you sleep better or wake up stronger? Let me know. Rooibos Tea, the caffeine-free recovery powerhouse. Here's a hidden gem: a caffeine-free herbal tea from South Africa, packed with anti-inflammatory antioxidants like espelithin and superoxide dismutase. It's a hydration hero, restoring lost electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, calming muscle soreness, and supporting gentle recovery without stimulating your system. Think of it as nature's recovery. Drink relieving aches, quickly, often within an hour. Ever tried Rooibos after exercise? How did it feel? Matcha Green Tea. Recharge muscles and metabolism. Not all teas are equal, but matcha is the elite wellness warrior. It blends antioxidants, metabolism-supporting polyphenols, and calming theanine into one vibrant brew. Matcha helps muscles recover by easing oxidative stress and supporting nutrient absorption, while also sharpening your mind and burning fat efficiently. Studies even show it can reduce age-related brain fog, while helping muscles bounce back. Fun question: have you tried matcha lattes or smoothies? Curious what you think. Hibiscus Tea, the heart-leg strength connection. Vibrant, tangy, and potent hibiscus supports healthy circulation, lowers blood pressure, and provides antioxidants that ease joint and muscle stiffness. Better circulation means stronger, more responsive legs and a steadier step. Plus, its refreshing flavor makes it easy to sip daily, cold or hot. So, does a tangy tea sound more appealing to you? Holy Basil Tulsi Tea. Stress less and move better. Think of Tulsi as your internal reset button. This adaptogenic tea helps lower inflammation, ease muscle tension, and regulate stress and hormonal imbalances. All essential for muscular resilience, especially with aging. It's gentle but powerful, providing clarity, calm, movement, and steady energy. Would you replace 1 cup of coffee with Tulsi if it helped your muscles feel lighter? Your next move: here's your new tea toolkit for muscle, mobility, and energy. Ginger turmeric for inflammation, relief, and circulation. Ginseng green for strength and wakeful motivation. Ashwagandha for balance, recovery. Sleep Rooibos for caffeine-free hydration and muscle relief. Matcha for muscle protection and mental clarity. Hibiscus for circulation and leg responsiveness. Tulsi for stress relief and sustained strength. Consistency is key. Try sipping 1 daily, especially when paired with gentle movement and a positive mindset, and watch how your legs, strength, and confidence evolve in just days or weeks. Which of these teas are you most excited to try first? Have you ever noticed a boost in strength or energy from tea? Share your story. We love hearing from you. If this lifted your spirits or your step, smash that like, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss more simple, science-based wellness hacks. You deserve to feel strong again, 1 cup at a time. See you in the next video.